What's going on, guys? Redbeard here from Bot and Cop. If you've landed at this video, you're probably wanting to know, how do you buy graphics cards? Xbox Series X or even the Series S, PlayStation 5, the disc edition or the digital edition, right? Sports cards, Panini. What are the other sports cards that are really popular right now? Everybody's wondering. The Prism is the big one right now. Pokemon cards. There's also other low-key flips that they're low-key, so I can't really tell you about them in this video, right? It's too low-key. I gotta keep it low-key. So you want all these things. They're out of stock everywhere, right? You can't get them anywhere. Even half the time, whenever they're about to come into stock, on Best Buy, on Walmart, on AMD, on Amazon, even if they're about to come into stock, you still can't get them manually. Because why? Because all the bots are buying them up, right? And so, you can be mad about that. You can go on the internet and talk a bunch of trash in all the forums and hate on all the botters, but they're still not going to get you what you're looking for, right? So if you can't beat them, join them. I'm telling you right now, if you guys are looking to get all these, any of the things that I just mentioned, you got to have a bot. Welcome to 2021. It's the way that it is. Period. It's not changing. It's not going anywhere. Outside of sports cards and Pokemon, like going in the store and getting them on, and following the vendor around and driving around town, hoping that, you get there before everyone else does, or, outside of that, as far as graphics cards and consoles go, you're not getting those without a bot. You can get lucky and get consoles manually, but graphics cards specifically, you're not getting them without a bot. And all the other stuff is like a million times easier to get if you have a bot. It's almost impossible to get them without one. So, I'm going to show you guys why are these items so hard to get? Why are they so hard? Well, for one, they're extremely high demand from people who aren't botting, and they're extremely high in demand for people who are botting, right? It's either people who really, really want them because they're collectors, or they're gamers, or they're GPU miners, or whatever, or resellers. Sorry, but there's a ton of resellers out there who just want to buy the stuff and flip it for profit. And whether you like that or you don't, or whether you're a reseller or a collector and you hate resellers, regardless, I'm going to show you guys how to actually get this stuff. All right. First thing you need is a cook group. What is a cook group? A cook is basically like the way it was explained to me whenever I first joined this world is back in the day when sneakers first started. That's where the term, like sneaker botting first started. That's where the term a cook came from, because basically like whoever had the knowledge and the resources to cop, which is another word for purchase, the sneakers, right, that were really hard to get, and they would purchase a ton of sneakers, right, that they could resell for profit. They would call that a cook. They cooked it. So they were the chef, because they had the recipe to get whatever products that they were going for. So that's the way it was explained to me. I didn't start in this world sneaker botting. Sneakers is not really my thing. I'm more of a retail guy. But that's where the term cook comes from. Whenever I first got in this world, I'm like, what the hell is a cook? I didn't know what it meant. But so a lot of you watching this video probably don't know what it means. That's what it means. Okay, so that's why they call it a cook group. A cook group is a group that provides all this information that you need to obtain all these items. We're going to tell you exactly when the drops are happening, what you need to go for them, what bots you need, what settings you need, all kind. I'm going to give you guys a quick preview of the Bot and Cop cook group, our cook group, which you can get a link to join in the description below. It is closed up, but follow us on Twitter and Instagram and join our waiting room. All those links will be below. We are dropping keys here and there, not a lot, but there's a chance that you could get in. It's the only way you can get in. So I'm going to show you guys our success. This is just recently just some of the things that some of our members have gotten. So let's see. Baylor, shout out to Baylor. Baylor has 4 graphics cards on the way. Looks like this is Amazon. Let's see. Polished Don, holy effing hell. Finally, let's go. Button Cop got himself a 3060 on Amazon. Baylor hit a 3070 on Amazon. That's Amber holding a motherboard and some erasers that we accidentally ordered. This is a screenshot of a bunch of successful purchases. All the green ones are. Here's more Amazon. A lot of Amazon going on lately. Amazon restocks 24/7, so a lot of our members, Amazon. There we go, Newegg. 1, 2, 3. This gentleman here got multiple graphics cards on Newegg. There's 4 more on Amazon. That's just in the last 24 hours. I could keep going. You guys get the point. And obviously, we have resellers who are in the group to make money. This gentleman has 3, 4, 6 3090s, 3080s. It looks like 3, 4 3080s and 2 3090s. So you guys, y'all get it. I mean, you know, like I said, Pokemon, you know, a lot of the guys are after Pokemon cards, sports cards, there's pools. We got some sneaker guys in the group. We're not really focused on sneakers, but we do that. Top Shot, you get the point. Consoles, PlayStation 5's. I don't want to spend too much time on this, but I'm just going to show you guys kind of what the group's about. So this is announcements. So here is, keep your eye on that, keep your notifications on. You'll know whenever something's going to drop because we'll ping you in the announcements. We also have releases for GPUs. There you go, Newegg Shuffle. We announce every time that goes live. You know, all kinds of information, everything you need. This is all Newegg stuff here recently. Consoles, same thing. Whenever the PlayStation queue goes live, we announce that. Sports cards, we tell you exactly what sports cards to run for and what websites to run it on, whether it's Walmart or Target. Low-key flips. Again, I can't show you that. It's low-key, all right? It's some stuff you would never think of that sells for a ton of profit. We got a little shoe section. Again, not our main focus, but here's our retail monitors, guys. We got retail monitors for just about every site you could think of. I'll show you Amazon specifically. Like, there's, let's see, 928 earlier tonight. Graphics cards dropping. Pokemon graphics cards. See, so basically a cook group, we basically, what it is, we notify you guys every time something's coming into stock. All right? So then I'm going to show y'all why you're not able to get this stuff. All you people who don't have bots, right? Show you right now why you're not able to get these. This is an inside look at the bot that I'm currently running, which is Stellar. You see this? Monitoring OOS. That OOS means out of stock. Monitoring out of stock. Monitoring out of stock. Monitoring out of stock. It's literally like 100 milliseconds, right? And I got this one particular category here or task group got like 20 something tasks all going for the same set of GPUs. So, you know, how can you compete with this as a person trying to go on there with your mouse and your keyboard and click and trying to buy? You can't compete with this. And it's not just me, guys. There's tens of thousands of people who are doing this. So it's extremely hard if you don't have a cook group and a bot to get these items. It's like nearly impossible. Okay. So where do you get a cook group? Bot and Cop. All the links in the description below. That's how you get a cook group. Where do you get a bot? You have to either buy one or rent one. So the least expensive, most popular one out right now is called Stellar. You can get it for about $500 to $600 if you want to buy it, which is really cheap because the other ones that are able to do what Stellar does, you're looking at $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Some of them bots, I know there's one called Dragon, which I don't have because I'm not that big of a baller, but I'm thinking it's like, what is like $18,000 for Dragon? Something stupid. I don't know, out of my price range, right? But you can get Stellar for $500, and that's what most of the people use. Everyone in our group, that's pretty much what they use, is Stellar. Not saying it's the best, but for what it does and how affordable it is, it's the best. If you're getting into botting, Stellar is definitely the bot that you want to go with. So yeah, how do you get it? Well, they're sold out, right? You can't go to their website and buy it. 99% of bots are, well, all the bots are sold out. You can't buy one off of a retail site. You have to get it in a Discord group. So our cook group, we do have bots for sale in here, and we do have bots for rent. So I said it's $500 to $600 to buy it, but you can rent it for like $10 a day, $15 a day, or $50 a week, or I think about $150 a month at this time. That is the going rate for these bots at this time. Okay. So video's going on for about 10 minutes now. I'm just trying to give you guys the quickest introduction to how all this works and what you guys need to do to get started. So if this interests you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm getting ready to put out more videos in this series right now. I'm going to tell you guys exactly everything you need to know to actually be able to do this. This is the real information right here. If you're still watching, this is the real way. This is the real way, the only way, and the way that's not going anywhere anytime soon, ever in the near future at all, if ever. Okay? These items are all very limited quantity and are very high demand, and you got people on here with a bot that literally can do things 1,000,000 times faster than what you can with your hands and your mouse and your keyboard. Okay, so you basically gotta have to get a bot. You have to get involved in this world if you want these products. Period. Like it, love it, or hate it. That's the facts. Facts. Can I get some facts down in the comments? Can I get some facts? Facts. All right, facts. So like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Twitter, join our Instagram, or don't join our Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. All right. Join our waiting room so you can get into Bot and Cop and learn more and get involved in getting started in this world. And subscribe so that you can see the next videos in this series. And we'll see you guys for our future videos. And we'll see you inside Bot and Cop. This is Redbeard checking out.